Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a family which you like and are happy to know. So which you like is present and are happy to know is present. You should say who they are. They means the family. Where they live, location. How you know them, your relationship with that family, and explain why you like them, reason for your likeness. So you'll cover all these points in your talk. Please, you can start.
Okay, apart from the families of my relatives, I know many families in my neighborhood, but one of them is a family of Mr. Nawaz that I like the most. Actually, Mr. Nawaz is basically they are residing now in Lahore, but basically they belong to Okada. Mr. Nawaz is a government servant, so that's why he is transferred over here. So that is the main issue that they came over here. Okay, and the reason why I like them. Then Mr. Nawaz family comprises of 5 family members, Mr. Nawaz and Mrs. Nawaz and their 3 kids. Although the kids are very younger ones now, but they are really really good mannered, and I like them because the behavior of the parents towards their kids are really supportive and strict as well. And talking about the Mrs. Nawaz, she is really a religious lady. I like her because of such religious attitude actually. And I like their environment of their family because they really observe parda, that is ordered in our religion. So I like them most of the days.
Okay, overall it's very good. Matlab nahi hona chahiye. Okay, you should avoid that. Right. Now, you mentioned who they are, but you did not cover where they live. You could talk a little more about their location and place of living and all that.
I told you that they are
from Okara and they came here, right? Okay, and how you know them? They moved here and then you came to know about them. And explain why you like them. You just came to that. So you spoke in 1 minute and 12 seconds, which is perfectly fine. You can just elaborate a little more according to the topic.
Okay.
And in actual IELTS exam, never do this thing that you don't look at the topic and you don't write anything on the paper and you speak on that. If you do so, you are likely to miss some of the points. So topic will be in front of you. Keep looking at the topic as you are talking, keep looking so that you don't get detract, right? Okay. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Who is usually the leader in a Pakistani family?
Pakistani society is considered to be the male dominated society. So obviously the male partners of the society are considered to be the leaders of the family. If it is a nuclear family, so the father is considered to be the leader of the family, and if it is a joint family system, then grandparents or grandfather is considered.
Excellent, very good. Keep it up like this. How do grandparents take care of their children?
According to me, grandparents are very important in our family because they have very much spare time and they have so much experience of their lives, so they can teach their children according to their experience and according to their soft politeness. Using their politeness, they can teach their children.
Okay, what is the most important quality of a good parent?
Good parents, I think the friendliness is the good quality and adaptive to the environment. And
so you need to talk about these qualities one by one with explanation. Okay. First you said friendliness. Now explain what you mean by that in 1 or 2 sentences. Then adaptivity, you can talk about that. So whatever you say, just try to explain them. Okay. Right? Overall your speaking is good. At present I'll give you 6.5, but you are very close to 7. Almost you are touching 7. So if you want to go beyond that, focus more, especially part 3. Part 3 is the part where examiners decide whether the band score should be 7 or 7.5 or 8. So in part 3 you should perform very well as well.